Hello everyone, welcome to Rahman's Coding once again. This is our second tutorial of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. On our previous tutorial, we have seen how to use anchor tag with ID, and today we will learn how to give anchor tag to different HTML pages for a smooth navigation. And along with that, we will learn how to navigate to another HTML page through button. Means you will click on a button and you will navigate to another page. So let's start. So guys, let's begin. First of all, what we have to do, we have to create two HTML files. Okay, I will give the first name as first page.html, and the second one I will give name as second page.html. All right. And let's give a boilerplate code so that it will give a prerequisite, and let's give a title as any simple title. Yeah, my first page. Okay, and now let's give anchor tag with hyperreference. Okay, a href, here we go, and we will give the name as second page.html because our agenda is how to navigate from one HTML page to another. Okay, and just give it a title as second page. Similarly, let's go to our second page, give a boilerplate code, and here we go. And this one we will give title as my second page. Okay, and again let's give anchor tag with hyperreference href. All right, and this will be first page.html, so that from first page you can navigate to second page, and from second page you can navigate again, go back to the first one. And similarly, if you have multiple files, you can jump from one page to another. You can navigate multiple pages by using the same principle. Okay, let's save this. All right, and here also just save this, and now I will show you on our browser how it looks like. Okay, now you can see that how it looks like on our browser. Okay, and if you click on first page, it will take you to the second one. If you click on the second page, it will take you to the very first one. Now you have seen how to achieve this. Now we will learn how to achieve the same thing through the button. So let's again go back to our Visual Studio Code. Here we go, and on the first page, let's remove this one and just give a button. Okay, and we will give this button name as second page. Okay, button. And similarly, here we come and we will remove this and we will give button, and we will give as the button name as first page. You can take any name. All right, and let's save this. Let's save it here. Okay, and now we will look on our Chrome browser how it looks like. Here we go. See, if you click on first page, it will take you to second. If you click on second page, it will take you to the first page. So it is important, to learn how to navigate from one page to another, because this is one of the key thing which every developer should learn while developing their website. Gradually we will move on to some advanced topic as well, but this is the first thing. And I will appreciate if you like this video and subscribe it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.